Hello students, today we are learning counting numbers and some letters. Counting number 1, 2, 3 and capital letters. Counting number 1, yellow color. Counting number 2, blue color. Counting number 3, red color. Capital letter A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. Yellow color, blue color, red color, green color and pink color and yellow color. 1, 2, 3. A is for aeroplane, B is for butterfly, C is for camel, A is for apple, B is for butterfly, C is for cat. A is for aeroplane, B is for ball, C is for cow. Thanks for watching.